Hey guys, how are you doing? I got the Star Show Shadow Pots by Moira Cosmetics. I got them in 3 shades and I thought we could try them out together. I haven't used these yet. So let's see how they perform. This is Eureka. This is the shade Literally. I thought we would try this out today. And this one is Quartz. So I'm going to take a flat concealer brush. This is a C30 by Rose & Ben Beauty. Oh wow. Just smoothing it out with my finger. Diffusing it a little. It looks fabulous. Should we try another color? Let's go in with the shade Eureka. Beautiful. I know you can't see much of a difference in the shades, but this has more of a silver purple shift to it, and this is champagne gold. I think you can see better in low light. This is more gold, more champagne. This has a little bit of blue, a little bit of purple to it. Honestly, I love both the shades. I want to try out the silver one and see what it looks like when it's swatched. It's a beautiful silver gold shift to it. So far, these 3 shades have really impressed me. They're very easy to use. They look beautiful as toppers on probably any eyeshadow look that you're wearing. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Would you try them? Let me know in the comments below.